So it's day one of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. First thing was a trip to B&Q with my partner in crime, Adam. We insured the van for 3 hours using Cuvva, so we had to grab the big stuff that we wouldn't fit into our cars as quick as we could. We got 2 big sheets of plywood to trace the bulkhead, which we'll do tomorrow, and to use on some of the walls to support the cupboards, drawers and any fixtures that we put on there. We've gone for a recycled plastic insulation as it is easy to install and it doesn't absorb moisture. We also needed to grab some spray glue. We're going to use this for our vinyl flooring, the insulation and for some of the carpeting. We grabbed a big sheet of Celotex insulation. This is going to go into the roof because we have some really large gaps to fill in and there's some awkward like joints on the top that we need to fill. Once we had paid for everything, we shoved it into the van and drove home to crack on with some work. We started by taking out the bulkhead, which was actually really easy, and then we moved on to stripping the plywood off the walls and floor, which again proved really easy, except for some old screws that we had to drill through. Once everything was stripped, we cleaned up the floor, checked for rust, which was, considering the van is 14 years old, was in pretty good nick. Follow for part 2, where we lay down the vinyl flooring, the insulation and start the bulkhead.